How to fix can't search on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix can't search on TikTok. So let's begin. If you cannot search on TikTok, there might be a bug or a problem with the app. So what I would like you to do is to first go to your app store and update your um, TikTok app, and then the second one is through um, offloading your app or clearing the cache of your app. And then the third one is by reporting a problem on TikTok. So let's just go first with the App Store or the Google Play Store. So open your App Store or Google Play Store and then search for TikTok. So once you're here, wait for it to load and click on the update button if you have the update button. However, if you don't have the update button, what I would like you to do now is to try for searching once again and again. If you cannot search, you may now proceed with the second step, which is by going to your settings. So let's just go back first. So once you're in your settings, go to General and then go to iPhone storage. And then go to TikTok. So if you cannot see TikTok right here, you may also search for it from the upper right corner of the screen. So go to TikTok and then click on Offload App. Once you click on Offload App, click on Offload App once again. And also, there is another way for clearing the cache of your TikTok, which is by opening it, going to your profile found in the lower right corner of the screen, and then going to the three lines found on the upper right corner, settings and privacy, and then scroll down and look for clear cache. So click on clear cache and then wait for it to load. And then now try it once again, and then if these steps still doesn't work, then you may now go to settings once again and then report a problem right here. Click on report a problem, wait for it to load, and then you may compose a problem right here, found on the upper right corner, and then click on it once again. And then you may type in, I cannot search. So you should also put in words like, please help me with this, and then thank you. So you may type in, attach an image or a screen recording, as well as click on report right here, and then that's it. That's how you can fix can't search on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.